Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to check for missing work in Google Classroom. When you log into Google Classroom, you click the Classwork tab at the top. Right here there is a button that says View Your Work. Click on that. Now this student has assigned next to some of their work and a check next to others. If you see that it says assigned, that means you have not finished and turned in your work. If you see a check, that means that you have turned it in and I have returned it to you. Please make sure that you click on any assignments that have a check so that you can read the comments. For example, there's a comment here. There's also a comment right here. Sometimes in the comments, I'm telling you that you forgot to do part of your work for the day. So for example, in this comment, I let the student know that they forgot to do the Edpuzzle video. So even though they've turned in their work up here, they still need to go back and work on that video. All right, guys, I hope this is easy peasy, lemon squeezy.